Paolo Avellino left in shock by a brand's unbelievable move. Welcome back to Celebrity Hub. Today, we have an exciting story about one of the most beloved actors in the Philippines, Paolo Avellino. You won't believe what a major brand did for him. Paolo Avellino, known for his charm and undeniable talent, recently became the face of a high-profile brand. But here's the twist. The brand went above and beyond by launching a special edition product dedicated entirely to Paolo. Yes, you heard that right. This product doesn't just carry his name, it's inspired by his personal style, his favorite colors, and even his signature. Fans are calling it a Paolo Avellino masterpiece. In an exclusive interview, Paolo shared his disbelief. Grabe, sobrang nakakagulat at nakaka-flatter. Hindi ko inasahan na gagawin nila ito para sa akin. Malaking bagay ito para sa akin at sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. The surprise didn't stop there. To make things even more special, the brand announced that a portion of the product's earnings would go to Paolo's favorite charities. This act of kindness has touched the hearts of many, making Paolo and the brand an even bigger inspiration to fans. Social media erupted as fans expressed their excitement. Comments like, "This is why Paolo is the best," and "Supporting this brand because they know how to honor good people like him," flooded the internet. Despite the overwhelming love and support, Paolo remains grounded. He humbly thanked everyone, saying, "Sa lahat ng nagpakita ng suporta, maraming salamat. Sana ay magpatuloy tayong maging inspirasyon para sa isa't isa." So, what's next for Paolo Avellino and this iconic brand? Could this collaboration open doors for more exciting surprises? Stay tuned as we keep you updated. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Celebrity Hub for more juicy updates on your favorite stars. See you in the next video.